Hey guys, Woods Farm here. Just going to do an unboxing video. I've got a new rifle. If you want to see what I got, stick around and check it out. Okay guys, I recently picked up a new hunting rifle from Cabela's. You can see the box on the bench behind me. It's a Ruger. So let's open it up and see what I got. So I've been looking for one of these rifles for a while. They were kind of hard to find in Canada for a bit there. And I picked this up at Cabela's. This is the Ruger American Ranch in 7.62 by 39. So in the box, we've got a trigger lock. Here's the bolt. The 3-lug style bolt. Got a 5-round box magazine. And then it's got the usual basic Ruger. Oh, that's pretty cool. Basic instruction book. Basically same style that you get with like the 1022 or anything else. There's probably some warranty stuff in here. I'll have to look at that later. And you got the rifle. Okay guys, I picked this rifle up for deer hunting to replace my 303 Lee Enfield. In the last couple of years, 303 ammunition has gotten so expensive. It's very difficult to source it. Sometimes you can't even find it. So I decided to start looking for something different. I was looking at 30-30, lever guns, stuff like that. But I really like magazine-fed firearms for hunting for various reasons. I was looking at a CZ rifle in 7.62 by 39, but they're out of production and they're very expensive. I settled on this option, the Ruger American Ranch. Super affordable. However, it was difficult to find one in Canada. Last year I couldn't find one, and this year I seen one in an auction. I went over to Cabela's to price check, and they actually had them in stock. So I just got one through Cabela's. So like I said, I intend to use this as a deer hunting rifle. Most of my deer hunting on my own property is at pretty close ranges. I think the majority of my deer I end up taking at about 50 meters in that range, some out to about 75, and occasionally maybe 100 meters. So pretty short distances. And I did some research, and 7.62 by 39 is pretty comparable to 30-30. So I figured this is going to be good enough for white-tailed deer. And I wanted something, I went with that caliber because I was looking for something that I could get ammo easily, cheap, and I could practice a lot with. I'm going to set it up with a low-power optic. It's got some interesting features. It's cock on open. One thing I really like about this rifle is it has the Tang style safety. I prefer that over a crossbolt. Of course, I'm not a big fan of firearm safeties because they give you a false sense of security, in my opinion. But if I have to go with the safety, I like this style. You can look down real quick and you immediately know where you're at. with the state of the rifle. On safe, fire. This takes Ruger Mini 30 mags, so you can get higher capacity magazines if you want. One interesting feature is that the bolt locks back on an empty magazine. I'm not sure if I'm going to like that long term. We'll have to get out in the field and use this rifle and see. One of the things I noticed right away is it's got a very short barrel. It's extremely light. That is going to be really good for getting up in tree stands, and I hunt in a lot of thick bush. So I think it's going to be a lot handier than the 303 Lee Enfield. Okay guys, so when that optic shows up in the mail, it's a Bushnell low power. I'll set it up, and we're going to do another video on this rifle. We'll take it out to the range, I'll zero it, and we'll do some practice shooting at probably like 50 and 100 meters, see how it handles, get ready for hunting season. So if you're interested in seeing more firearms related videos from the Woods Farm, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and come back and see some of the follow-up videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.